Let's make a deviled egg flight. First thing you want to do is boil your potato. Well, actually, have you ever had deviled potatoes? Oh, God, those are good. Anyway, boil your eggs. When they're done boiling, peel them, cut them in half, put the yolks in a bowl, put the empty whites on a plate, like this. My basic deviled egg is just the egg yolk, mayonnaise, mustard, salt, pepper, and I like a little bit of dill relish. Optional, but up to you. Do whatever. So I put the yolk mixture back into the eggs, and I just use a spoon for that. I've seen people do it with piping bags, but I am not that fancy. So half of them, I just added a little bit of paprika, and there's your classic, regular, everyday deviled egg. But let's add a little spice. Alright, this is what I've came up with. We have a deviled egg with bacon bits, just crumbled bacon, a Kendra's Creations garlic dill pickle, a deviled egg with pickled mustard seeds. We have a deviled egg with a pickled beet, with sriracha. This one has crispy fried onions on it, like you would put in green bean casserole. And this one is the classic with a pepperoni slice. Actually, 2 slices. Which one would y'all try first? I'm going to go with sriracha first because I know my husband will not eat this one. Let's give it a try. And I don't know if I should do the whole thing or not. If y'all weren't watching, I would do the whole thing. Let's try. That's good. That was a lot of sriracha too. Just enough heat. The vinegar. Make that one. Alright. This one with the beet. I know my husband won't eat this one. He does not like beets. Let's give this one a try. I don't think I'm going to put the whole thing in though. The pickled beet with the egg is actually really good. I would definitely make that again. Alright, let's try the one with the mustard seeds. I think my husband would eat this one, but I'm gonna eat it. So, this one tastes really good, but the texture is a little weird because all the little mustard seeds pop as you're eating it. So it's like kind of crunchy in there. So I could see someone not liking this based on the texture, but the flavor is spot on, delicious. The one I really want to try is with these fried onions. That is a winner. Y'all, I think that the crispy fried onions, that's probably my favorite one. That is really good. I will 110% make that one again. The pepperoni, pickle, and bacon are all kind of, yeah, everybody probably knows what those taste like, so. But the fried onion, yeah. Do it again. So, based on those, which one would you try? And what are the ones that you do at home? Like, what are your, do you do a traditional deviled egg, or do you like to do like fun stuff?